I'm in room 483. I've been at this hospital since Monday, September 8th, and it is now Monday at 10:41 p.m. on October 27th, I believe. Yeah, 27th. And I was admitted for abuse and worsening of all my neurological problems like double vision, blurry vision, balance, weakness, abnormal movements, not able to use my right side, ataxia, things like that. And engineering just came cause I reported the dripping. But they been saying they would get tell the charge nurse a long time ago. But somebody did come tonight, and he said he was able to access the hallway because he can't just look over my bed while I'm in it, but he did not see any leaking. He said that there were pipes and the heating and air uses water, and that's probably what I was hearing, but he did not see anything leaking. And you can't hear it right now either. But I do have some audio files of the leaking. And even my mother heard it when she was here, and we couldn't figure out where the dripping was coming from.
What do you call this? I'll let the engineering know, okay?
It's been happening since I've been here. I have it recorded. My mom heard it. I've been here since the 8th, September 8th.
September? Yeah?
Yeah, and something keeps leaking. And it's no leaking in the ceiling.
Ceiling, yeah.
But you can hear it, like, if you just listen. Say something.
Oh, I hear.
Not that much. It just did.
I hear it. But I don't see any, like, actual.
I know, but breathing whatever liquid that is make my heart rate go up. And it's,
Yeah, I'll let my church know, okay? And let the engineering know. I don't know how to fix it, but they can.
I know, but they've been saying that since I've been here, they'll let engineering know. It's like someone turned on the switch. It's like an IV drip, how you can change the flow. That's what happens. Like it's dripping a lot. Okay, that was a nurse that did hear it. What's this fella called? Dripping. When was that recorded? Hold on. I took a screenshot of it. It was just called dripping, and that was on October 12th at 12:09 in the morning. And she heard the noise too. But I have recordings on October 1st. Like, and no one came until today. But they said they didn't see anything leaking and that the air is pipes over my bed, I guess, and the air and he uses water. So that's probably what I was hearing, but no leaks were found. I just know that when it happens a lot, like when the flow for the drips is rapid and I breathe it in, I have bad health effects from it. Like my blood pressure goes way up. I don't have a history. The longer I'm at this hospital, the more health problems I have. That get said during bedside shift report, like hypertension and depression. I never had a history of hypertension. No one has diagnosed me with depression or hypertension, but that's what gets it. And I took a screenshot. I have a wallpaper of this hospital, put in false information in my medical records, like the data